Hi guys, it's Tuesday the 14th of June. We went to Brislington Retail Park in Bristol. There's one charity shop there, but it's a big one. They took over the old Maplin's warehouse or shop. So it's enormous. It's got a coffee shop inside, which is handy, and it's cheap tea and coffee, which makes me happy. The charity shop items tend to be a little bit more expensive than I like spending, and you may be able to guess I bought the Doctor Who sonic screwdriver. Now, I have one of these already, or at least I believe they're the same sonic screwdriver, but this one, well, it's a darker colour and it's missing the end bit, and that one's got an extra button on it, so I'm guessing these are made by different manufacturers. This one's Character Options, or marketed by Character Options. This one, I don't know yet. I haven't taken that £3 label off it yet. Okay, that's not the same, is it? It hasn't got a battery box just there. So how do we change the battery? No idea. Does it work? Press the button and it shoots open. Oh, I see there's a little button in there. What does that do? Oh, that's probably when you, yeah, I can see what that is. That little button there would be pressed by that there. So if we shut that up again, two different sounds. Yeah, this one I think it's touch sensitive or something, or is it shake? Oh. Yeah. Anyway, that's not the one we're talking about. So they are different. And this one has the button on the end. Which does the same effect. So how do we change the batteries? Because that's always the question that I get asked. I'm not an expert on these at all. Ah, there we are. Right, so there we go. Screw there. That lifts off. That piece comes out, and away we go. This is still Character Options. I'll zoom in on that in a second, but it says BBC 2004, licensed by BBC Worldwide Limited, Character Options Limited. So what's the difference? Well, they are different. Let's see if we can get a focus on that. We've got a serial number on that side. And there's the writing. So it's another Character Options one. But it's different. This one has got a bayonet fixing. So when you press that button, see there's a, oh, you can't see. How about if I put the light on? That's better. Now we can see what we're doing. Yeah, so I push that it's pushing that red bit up inside there, which is probably going to make contact with that. So that's got 03407. That's got 05357 written on it. So, the same but different. Is there a right and a wrong way? I'm surprised that button doesn't work when it's opened. Anyway, there you are. So I now have two of them. That one misses the bit on the end, and that one has it. And then the other two that I've got is that one. Okay. And that one. Getting a bit of a collection now, aren't I? Got to get the tone right. Yeah, so there we go, and this one's a bayonet one as well, so that's the same format as that one for getting it apart and changing the battery. And that one you have to undo that screw, lift that piece off, and then that pulls right out and you've got the same battery box inside there again. Put the new one at the front. Mansfield Seat V8. Take the steering wheel with you to stop people pinching your car. Joke about Royal Mail and rubber bands. He's got a few. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.